Hi guys, today I will show you very important chords. Yeah, the piano, it looks like that here. And then when you turn back, it looks like that. So yeah, now the important thing in piano is to know the scale from C. We can start from C to C. This is all the piano, all the chords, but we play in different sides. Maybe you go to the right here, or we go to the left here. I will out the chord here. Yeah, here from C to C. This is all the chords, and from C here to C, from C to C is all the same. If you know this, from C to C, everything is combined here. It's all here. I will show you the chords here now. We start by the key C, D, E, F, G, A, B, again C. That is the keyboard from C to C. Now I will show you the chords. C chord here, and D chord here, A minor chord here, F major chord here, G major chord here, A minor chord here, B diminish here, and B minor chord here, also B major chord here. This two black, and now I will show you the black keys here. Here is C sharp major, and here is D sharp major chord, and here is F sharp major chord, F sharp major chord here, and here is G sharp major chord, and here is A sharp major chord here, and here is the same I showed you before, B major chord here, B major chord here. Yeah, that's all the piano. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Next time I will show you the chords here, how to play the chord, and how to play with two hands. Yeah, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Have a nice day.